Gold sponsors today are really what allowed us to bring this event to you. Their support has been very important to our success here. So now I'm excited to welcome Casey to the stage. Casey's a bit of a DevOps celebrity, maybe even a DevOps thought leader. He's been working the conference track pretty seriously over the past year or two. In fact, I was just hanging out with him about a month ago in New York at Velocity. So please welcome Casey and Pivotal.
I would call it thought littering, if I was going to say anything. So we've got a super small screen here, but what could ever go wrong with live demos, right? So first of all, one of my coworkers, Malika, is giving a talk later. She's awesome. Go see her talk. Captive audience, but hey, let's say it anyway. Let's push an app. So Pivotal does something called Cloud Foundry. We work on Cloud Foundry, and that's what I want to talk about with you all today. So I'm deploying an app to Cloud Foundry. It's a simple Sinatra app. It's actually super simple, just a JSON endpoint. Environment variables are how we inject information in Cloud Foundry to running instances. And what we're going to do is expose which instance is running as a JSON endpoint. So what we're doing here is actually building a container using a build pack. There are build packs for just about everything, from Java to Perl 6. You think I'm joking about Perl 6? I'm not. Come and see me. I'll show you the demo later. You can actually deploy and run Perl 6 in an enterprise fashion. So we're uploading this thing. We have a manifest here, which defines some information about the running instance. We're going to constrain the memory to about 20 megs. We're going to tell it how to run this app. Again, it's really simple. Come on, internet. Verizon, don't fail me now. So let's go ahead and jump into CFENV, and let's see what we got here. Not running yet. Live demos. Yeah, it's super simple if you have internet. Everybody else shut off your phones. Yeah, it may not work for me right now. Bummer, bummer, bummer. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to show you a script instead. Oh no, we got that. Here we go. So we have an instance. Yay. Okay, cool. So it's not very enterprisey, so let's get some enterprise features. Yeah, we should rub some SAP on it. That's a good idea. So we have enterprise features. Let's take a look at that here. We're going to use Redis, and we're going to run some analytics, and basically we're going to count visitors, and we're going to put that information out here. We're going to get that environment information again off of the environment information for connecting to Redis off of the environment here, but we do have to create a Redis service. So let's create that Redis service. We give it a name, CFENV Redis, and we have to bind that service to our app, and that's done. We'll push again, and I'm probably out of time. You tell me. 1 minute, awesome, thanks. So we bound a Redis service, we auto-provisioned that service. That happened automatically. We just deployed the app, and we'll see if it gets started up here. Oh yeah, okay, so it's building the container. So I may not get to the actual fun stuff here. What I'm gonna do is show you the script, which is, after we bound this service, the next thing that I would do if I had time is actually scale it up, horizontally scale about 5 instances and show that that works out. But because I'm out of time, we'll have to do that another time. We were going to have fun no matter what. This happens to fit in 140 characters. I'm not saying you have to tweet about me, but you know, if you want to, you can. If you want to talk to Pivotal about Cloud Foundry, please do that. We are in a booth, and notwithstanding internet service, this totally works in 5 minutes. So thank you all.